The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, gives creators greater access to YouTube resources and features. If you're looking to make money with your channel, you'll need to apply and be approved for YPP. To apply for YPP, you must be in good standing with YouTube, have at least 1,000 subscribers, and have 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. We've set these thresholds because we want creators to be good citizens on the platform, and these requirements ensure our teams have enough information to review your channel. You can check your progress towards hitting these thresholds on the Monetization page of YouTube Studio. You can also choose to be notified with an email once you're eligible to apply. Once your channel does hit these thresholds, you'll need to sign the Partner Program terms and sign up for a Google AdSense account. After all of these steps are completed, then your channel will be reviewed against our policies. If everything looks good, you can start earning money from ads and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your content. You can also earn money in other ways, with channel memberships, Super Chat, or even by selling your own merch, as long as you meet their criteria and they're available in your location.